Everything's done here. This reduced down inside for a little bit. Hey, shut up! Today we are making some chorizo and tri-tip chili.
Ooh.
We can't normally get tri-tip in Memphis, but we're in the great state of Arkansas and it's readily available. So first we're gonna mix up a spice mixture. I'd say about a tablespoon and a half of chili powder. A little sprinkle of some cumin, probably about the same amount of cumin. Maybe about half of that of garlic powder. Some oregano, probably about that much. Some salt and some black pepper. Here, you want to taste it?
Not from your hand. We're cooking with Pop and Uncle Josh.
And Brandon.
But Brandon's off running around getting firewood.
We're gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. Kind of rub that in, like so, just giving the seasoning something to stick to. Kind of rub that in, get that to stick.
I think you could go a little bit more Bernie Sanders on that.
A little more liberal?
A little bit more liberal.
Is it time?
Do it.
Okay. So we got the coals good and hot. We're still trying to keep this temperature down low, so I'm not gonna let this get to where it's flaming over the top here and these are starting to turn white because we want them to, it's gonna be a longer cook process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump them like this. Great. You're gonna do a water pan?
Yeah, the water pan's right there.
Okay. It's clean. This is a water pan.
Yeah.
Clean.
What are you talking about? It's clean. That ain't clean.
That's clean, man. That's turkey drippings from last time we used.
Okay, that was 4 months ago.
Thanksgiving. Really?
I got it. Hey, you just stand right there. You just stand right there and help and do nothing.
All right. Now we wait.
Listen to that sizzle.
We got some jalapenos. Yeah, we're gonna smoke these and add these into the chili as some of our heat flavors.
Sweet.
All right, so for our chili, actually, hold on, start over. All right, we're gonna make some buttermilk cornbread and we're gonna put some jalapenos and some cheddar in it. This isn't from scratch. This is Jiffy. I love this brand. This stuff is delicious, right?
Yes.
Double batch. This recipe calls for whole milk, but we're gonna do some buttermilk. 2/3 of a cup because we're doing double recipe. So about like that. 2/3 of a cup.
Yeah.
We got it. Okay. Oh, that's sour cream.
Yeah, it is.
2 eggs. Boink. It's got like a really bad like aftertaste. It just kind of sticks around. I got scolded earlier because why did I get
Because
scolded?
you bought bag cheese, and that's waxy and disgusting. That's block cheese that's been shredded by hand. It's delicious.
Uncle Josh prefers to.
You know what's even better than cheddar cheese? Side note, pimento cheese.
Another episode.
Yeah.
We're gonna make that happen. Jalapenos and cilantro.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not?
Mix it all up.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Really good.
Yeah, it does.
Oven is at 400 and the cast iron has been in here. So it is very hot.
Yeah.
Very, very hot.
Pop in, let him touch it.
And he would touch it. We'll take some butter and we're gonna grease that up.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's just sounds delicious.
Mix goes in. All right, that's it. This
That's
is going
it.
in.
Looks
Yep.
good.
400 degrees, about 20 minutes. Buttermilk cornbread with jalapenos and cheddar. Woo!
All right, okay.
I think we call this ripping.
Now, last time we popped a tube of sausage over at Josh's house, it was rotten.
It was rotten.
That was on our breakfast paella episode.
You can hear that sizzle? You know
like
it's done. Listen.
An alien having Look at them standing over there like that.
Yeah, because it's not raining right here.
It's not raining. Shut up. Double tube. All right, what's next on that?
We're going to throw in some onions and some garlic.
Yep.
And then hit it with some of that liquid, which is going to be, we're going to do a beer.
Yep.
And then some beef broth.
Cold beer?
And then we're gonna add some tomatoes. We're gonna dice up those chipotles. Let's take a look at it.
You mean jalapenos?
Well, they're becoming chipotles.
Oh man, that looks delicious.
Wait till the tri-tip gets to probably about 130. Let it rest, cube it up, throw it in, serve.
Uh-oh. Some of that jalapeno cheddar cornbread. Zip it up with some of that crema. Got red onions in my garlic. Bruh. I don't know why you mixed it up because that garlic's gonna burn.
We're using your beer for our chili.
Oh, that's right. Hashtag meddlesome brewing.
Hashtag already had a 201 Hoppler.
Zoom in. Onions and garlic in. This smells like the Mid-South Fair, except like way better than the Mid-South Fair. It's the best Mid-South Fair memory. Best Mid-South Fair memory.
I don't know. I can't remember yesterday. What is crazy is that my parents would drop me and my friends off at the Mid-South Fair.
Get you that wristband.
Yeah, a wristband.
Not worried about you at all.
Yeah,
right?
and then I'm gonna come pick you up at 7.
Yeah.
Now I won't let my kid walk down the street.
Yeah. Can I go with the mail? Don't you
Don't you
dare.
dare. So you take a phone with you.
Oh, yes. I love chorizo.
Some brass bellows. Okay, here we go.
What we got on this?
We got tomatoes.
Are you gonna crush those by hand? You
Certainly
washed
am.
your hands.
I just washed my hands.
That's about 38 glugs of beef broth.
If you're wondering where the heat's gonna come from our chili, we smoked 4 jalapenos. I diced them up.
Can I
We're about
taste?
to
Can I
drop
taste?
them junks in. Yeah.
Right there.
Go ahead.
Cool. Let's get them all in there.
Let's not hold back.
Man, get them seeds in there.
Beans.
What are you gonna do?
Jared
with them?
don't like them.
I have an idea for those beans.
He wants me to throw
Just
them.
throw them over the deck. Yeah, that's fine. Ugh, not happy about this. But dinner high five is a democracy. It's democracy high five. Haven't started yet.
Tell me when.
Now do it.
So tri-tip is at temp. We're gonna take it off, cube it up, add it to the chili, let it probably mellow for about 5 minutes, pull it off, and then ready to eat.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you have this in
Oh,
Tennessee?
great. I thought that would happen.
Yes. Tastes so good.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
He's still crying. All right, good. Oh, man. Tri-tip going in. Let me just help give a little. Okay. Hold on. Let me get that piece right there. Yep.
And then I'm gonna make my world famous Mexican crema. A Mexican crema is really a fancy way of saying a thinner, tangier sour cream. We're gonna bam some cilantro and some lime, but we want to get it nice and small. You know, we don't want a huge piece of cilantro because that ain't good.
Okay. All right, Food Network.
A traditional Mexican crema, you would start with like a buttermilk and a cream or something like that, maybe a yogurt, and you let it sit out overnight. But for us, we're gonna cheat a little bit. We're just gonna use some good old daisies. We're gonna thin it with some heavy cream.
That makes no sense whatsoever.
It doesn't. All right, so you want to get a consistency where it's almost pourable. We're gonna put a little bit of salt, coarse ground gourmet black pepper, Heber Springs finest. I'm gonna put a little bit of cumin, just a scotch, just a smidge. The greatest hot sauce in the world, in my humble opinion, which is Valentina. This is the black version, which is the extra hot. So we're gonna go a little easy on that.
Why?
All right, then we're gonna squeeze some lime juice in there.
Nope.
Cilantro.
I like this
smells
outdoor
so good.
kitchen.
And that is it.
Oh, it's good.
That is it.
Crema.
All right, so we are done with the chili. We finished it off inside for a minute just to get it reduced down a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and build a bowl.
Cheddar jalapeno cornbread. Just gonna slop on top.
Some avocado, a little scoopy scoop.
Some of that crema.
Right there. And then some of this.
Mexican crumbling cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Taste it up.
You ready? It's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible.
So good. It's everything.
It's everything.
Nailed it.
Yep.